Hello, everyone. I am Emily. Welcome to English Club.
Hi, Emily.
Hi, Paul. How are you today?
I am very good. Thank you. How are you, Emily?
I am wonderful. Thank you for asking.
You look cheerful today.
Yes, I am. Today we have a really useful topic.
What is our topic?
Today we are talking about phrases to make suggestions.
Oh, that is excellent. Making suggestions is very important.
Yes, it is. We make suggestions every day.
At work, with friends, with family.
Everywhere. Knowing good phrases helps a lot.
Yes. Good phrases make you sound polite and natural.
Exactly. So, what are we doing today?
Before we start today's topic, please like and subscribe to our channel for more English learning videos.
Yes, please. Subscribing really helps us.
Thank you so much.
So, Paul, why are suggestions important?
Suggestions help us share ideas without being bossy.
Bossy means telling people what to do in a rude way.
Yes. Suggestions are polite and respectful.
They give people choices.
Exactly. You are not ordering, you are offering an idea.
Today, we will learn many ways to make suggestions.
Yes, from casual to formal.
Let us start with the most common phrases.
Good idea. First phrase, why don't we?
Why don't we? This is very popular.
Yes, it is friendly and casual.
You use it to suggest doing something together.
Why don't we go to the movies tonight?
That sounds great. What time?
See? Easy and natural.
Next phrase, how about?
How about? This is also very common.
Yes, you can use it for many situations.
How about we get pizza for dinner?
Good idea. I am hungry.
You can also say, how about pizza for dinner?
Yes, both ways work.
Next phrase, what about?
What about? This is similar to how about.
Yes, same meaning, different words.
What about going to the park?
Sure, the weather is nice.
What about you can also ask for someone's opinion?
Right. What about you? Do you want pizza?
Yes, I do.
Next phrase, let's.
Let's. This is the shortest way.
Yes, very direct but still friendly.
Let's watch a movie.
Okay, which movie?
Let's go for a walk.
Good idea. I need fresh air.
Next phrase, shall we?
Shall we?
This is more formal.
Yes. British English uses this a lot.
American English uses it less.
But it is still correct and polite.
Shall we have lunch together?
Yes, let us go at noon.
Shall we start the meeting now?
Yes, everyone is here.
Emily, next phrase, we could.
We could. This is a softer suggestion.
Yes, less direct, more tentative.
Tentative means uncertain or careful.
We could go to the beach this weekend.
That is a possibility. Let me check the weather.
We could try that new restaurant.
Good idea. I heard it is excellent.
Next phrase, maybe we should.
Maybe we should. This is also gentle.
Yes, you are not pushing hard.
Maybe we should leave now. Traffic might be bad.
You are right. Let us go.
Maybe we should call first to make sure they are open.
Good thinking.
Paul, next phrase, I suggest.
I suggest. This is more formal.
Yes, professional situations use this.
I suggest we postpone the meeting.
Why is that?
Why is that? 2 team members are sick.
That makes sense.
I suggest we review the report before submitting it.
Agreed. We need to check for errors.
Next phrase, I recommend.
I recommend. This is also formal.
Yes, stronger than suggest.
When you recommend, you believe it is the best option.
I recommend we hire more staff.
Why do you recommend that?
We are too busy. We need help. I recommend trying the chocolate cake here. It is delicious.
I will take your recommendation.
Next phrase, it might be a good idea to.
It might be a good idea to. This is very polite.
Yes, you are being careful and respectful. It might be a good idea to bring an umbrella.
Why? Is it going to rain?
The forecast says there is a chance.
Good suggestion. I will bring one.
It might be a good idea to arrive early.
To avoid the crowd?
Exactly.
Next phrase. Have you considered?
Have you considered? This asks if they thought about something.
Yes, it is polite and thoughtful.
Have you considered taking a different route?
No, I have not. Is there a better way?
Yes, the highway is faster.
Thanks for the suggestion.
Have you considered learning Spanish?
Actually, yes, I am thinking about it.
Perfect.
Next phrase, you might want to.
You might want to. This is gentle advice.
Yes, not forceful, just a suggestion.
You might want to call them before you go.
That is a good idea. I will call now.
You might want to bring a jacket. It is cold outside.
Thanks for reminding me.
Next phrase, if I were you, I would.
If I were you, I would. This is personal advice.
Yes, you share what you would do. If I were you, I would apologize.
You are right. I should say sorry.
If I were you, I would accept the job offer.
Really? You think it is a good opportunity?
Yes, definitely.
Next phrase, why not?
Why not? This is short and casual.
Yes, friendly and enthusiastic.
Why not try the new cafe?
Good idea. I am curious about it.
Why not take Friday off and make it a long weekend?
I like the way you think. Now, let us talk about responding to suggestions.
Yes, how to accept or decline.
First, accepting suggestions.
If you like a suggestion, you can say, that sounds good.
Let us go to the museum.
That sounds good. I love museums.
You can also say, that is a great idea.
How about we have a barbecue?
That is a great idea. I will bring the meat.
Another response, I'm in.
Want to go bowling tonight?
I'm in. What time? You can say, count me in.
We are planning a road trip next month.
Count me in. Where are we going? Another phrase, sure, why not?
Want to try that new Thai restaurant? Sure, why not? I like Thai food.
Now, what if you do not like the suggestion?
You need to decline politely.
Yes, you don't want to be rude.
First phrase, I'm not sure about that.
I'm not sure about that.
Let's go skydiving.
I'm not sure about that.
I am afraid of heights.
That is understandable.
Next phrase, I would rather.
How about Chinese food?
I would rather have Italian. Is that okay?
Sure, Italian is fine.
Next phrase, maybe another time.
Maybe another time. You postpone the idea.
Want to go hiking this weekend?
Maybe another time. I am really tired this week.
No problem. Next phrase, I do not think that is a good idea,
I do not think that is a good idea. This is more direct.
but still polite.
Let us drive through the storm.
I do not think that is a good idea. It is too dangerous.
You are right. Let us wait.
Next phrase, I appreciate the suggestion, but...
I appreciate the suggestion, but
Yes, you thank them first.
you should quit your job and travel the world.
I appreciate the suggestion, but I need to save money first.
That makes sense.
Now let us practice with different situations.
Good idea. First situation, at work.
At work, suggestions should be professional.
Yes, let us practice.
The project deadline is too tight.
I suggest we request an extension.
That is a good idea. I will talk to the manager.
Another work situation.
We need to improve team communication.
How about we have weekly meetings?
Good suggestion. Let us start next week.
Next situation, with friends.
With friends, you can be more casual.
I am bored. What should we do?
Why don't we go to the beach?
Perfect. Let us leave in an hour.
Another friend situation.
It is Friday night. Any plans?
How about we watch a movie at my place?
Sounds good. I will bring snacks. Next situation, with family.
Family suggestions should be considerate.
Where should we go for Mom's birthday?
What about that restaurant she loves?
Great idea. I will make a reservation.
Another family situation.
We need to clean the house.
Let us divide the work. I will clean the kitchen.
Okay, I will clean the living room.
Next situation, traveling.
Travel suggestions help plan trips.
Where should we visit in Italy?
I recommend Rome. It has amazing history.
Good suggestion. What else?
We could also visit Florence.
Perfect. Let us plan both cities.
Another travel situation.
Should we rent a car or take trains?
I suggest we take trains. It is easier.
You are right. Less stressful. Next situation, restaurants.
Making food suggestions.
What should we order?
How about we share several dishes?
Great idea. More variety.
Have you considered the chef's special?
No, but now I'm interested. Let us try it.
Next situation, solving problems.
Suggestions help find solutions.
My computer is very slow.
You might want to delete old files.
That is helpful. Anything else?
Maybe you should upgrade the memory.
Good suggestions. I will try both.
Another problem-solving situation.
I am always tired in the mornings.
Have you considered going to bed earlier?
That is a good point.
You could also try drinking less coffee at night. right.
I will do that. Now let us talk about making group suggestions.
Yes, when many people are involved.
These phrases help everyone participate.
First phrase, what does everyone think about?
What does everyone think about going bowling?
I like that idea.
Me too. Who else wants to go?
Count me in.
Next phrase. Does anyone have any suggestions?
Does anyone have any suggestions for the team name?
How about the champions?
That is good. Any other ideas?
Next phrase. What if we?
What if we? This proposes a possibility.
What if we postpone the trip to next month?
That might work. What do others think?
Next phrase. Would it be possible to?
Would it be possible to? Very polite for requests.
Would it be possible to change the meeting time?
Let me check everyone's schedule.
Thank you.
Now some tips for making good suggestions.
Yes, these tips help your suggestion succeed.
First tip, be polite and respectful.
Yes, do not be bossy or pushy.
Use phrases like maybe, could, or might.
These words soften your suggestion.
Second tip, explain your reasoning.
Yes, tell people why you suggest something.
I suggest we leave early because traffic will be heavy.
That makes sense. Good reasoning.
Third tip, be open to other ideas.
Yes, your suggestion might not be the best.
Listen to others. Be flexible.
Maybe someone has a better idea.
Fourth tip, read the situation.
Yes, formal situations need formal phrases.
Casual situations can use casual phrases.
At work, I suggest we review the data.
With friends, let us grab pizza.
Different situations, different phrases.
Fifth tip, offer alternatives.
Yes, give people options.
We could go to the movies or we could go bowling.
Options make people feel involved.
Sixth tip, respect people's decisions.
Yes, if they decline, do not push.
Accept their answer politely.
Maybe another time.
Exactly. Let us review the phrases we learned today.
Good idea. We learned so many.
Why don't we? How about? What about?
Let's. Shall we? We could.
Maybe we should. I suggest. I recommend.
It might be a good idea to. Have you considered? You might want to.
If I were you, I would. Why not?
That sounds good. That is a great idea. I'm in.
Count me in. Sure, why not?
I am not sure about that. I would rather, maybe another time.
I do not think that is a good idea. I appreciate the suggestion, but
What does everyone think about? Does anyone have any suggestions?
what if we? Would it be possible to?
So many useful phrases.
Yes, these will help you in many situations.
At work, with friends, with family, while traveling.
Everywhere you need to make suggestions.
Remember to be polite.
And respectful.
Give reasons for your suggestions.
And be open to other ideas.
Practice these phrases.
The more you practice, the more natural they become.
So, everyone listening, which phrase will you use first?
Yes, please leave a comment and tell us.
Maybe share a situation where you need to make suggestions.
We would love to hear from you.
Making suggestions is an important skill
It helps in communication.
and builds better relationships.
When you make good suggestions, people appreciate it.
They see you as helpful and thoughtful.
So practice these phrases today.
Try them with friends or family.
See how people respond.
You will be surprised how useful they are.
Please like and subscribe to English Club for more English learning videos. Thank you for listening.
Yes, subscribing helps us create more useful content like this.
We have many more topics to help you speak English naturally.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Remember, good suggestions use good phrases.
Be polite, be clear, be respectful, and always listen to others. Thank you, everyone. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Start making great suggestions.